Let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse. Man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words, and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words.
Hey guys, what is up? Yash here from Indian Fitness Cult, back with another smashing workout, and today we are hitting back and chest. So let's get it done. तो हमारा आज का मूवमेंट नंबर 1 है पुशअप्स. पुशअप इज़ द फंडामेंटल एक्सरसाइज फॉर टारगेटिंग एंड डेवलपिंग अ गुड चेस्ट. While performing your push-ups, make sure your back is completely straight. And if you're a beginner and it is not possible for you to do push-ups for 30 seconds, तो आप beginner version definitely लगा सकते हैं. ऊपर आई बटन में आपको वीडियो मिल जाएगा. Make sure you check that out. Good job guys. Now you have a 15-second rest in between your sets. We are performing all the movements for 30 seconds and taking a break of 15 seconds in between. Alright guys, जो अगला मूवमेंट हम लगाने जा रहे हैं वो है alternating row. It is a great exercise for targeting your back. Alternating row लगाने के लिए dog pose में आ जाइए. Then row the dumbbell from one side, put the dumbbell back down, then row from the other side and keep on doing it for 30 seconds. Good job guys. As you guys would have noticed कि हम लोग पहले एक चेस्ट मूवमेंट लगा रहे हैं, then alternately हम लोग एक बैक मूवमेंट लगा रहे हैं. आज का हमारा पूरा वर्कआउट कुछ इसी तरह चलता रहेगा. ओके गाइस, जो हमारा नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट है वो है पुशअप्स वंस अगेन. पुशअप्स लगाते टाइम मेक श्योर योर बैक इज कम्प्लीटली स्ट्रेट. यू आर गोइंग स्ट्रेट डाउन एंड कमिंग स्ट्रेट अप. कीप ऑन डूइंग इट फॉर 30 seconds. For beginners, I would recommend you guys can keep your knees on the ground and perform the beginner version of the push-up. Again, you guys have a 15-second rest to take a break in between your sets and make sure that you're breathing normally before we get into your next movement. We have alternating row to perform once again. So get into your dog pose, take your dumbbells, row from one side, then row from other side and keep on repeating it for 30 seconds. I have so many back workouts on this channel. If you guys want to see the gym version of these back workouts, तो ऊपर आई बटन में आपको वीडियो मिल जाएगा. Make sure you check that out. Good job guys. This was the set number 2 for your single arm rows. Now take a break, breathe normally and be prepared for chest presses. Alright, so next up for your chest is a dumbbell press or a chest press. It is a great exercise for adding strength to your chest. Alright, dumbbell press को properly perform करने के लिए floor पर लेट जाइए. Then lift the dumbbells straight up, take them straight down. और जब आप नीचे आएंगे make sure that your elbows are parallel to the floor and keep on repeating it for 30 seconds. Now you have another 15 seconds to take a break in between your sets. You can shake your body up, relax your body and breathe normally. Next up in the list is your bent over row. Bent over row is a great exercise for targeting your back. It is one of my favorite exercises when it comes to adding mass to my back. Just keep on repeating the movement for 30 seconds and then we'll have a 15-second break. Good job guys. It is a good idea to keep a water bottle close to you while performing a follow along workout so that you could sip on the water in between your sets. Alright, we have another set of chest press here. So we'll be performing the movements for 30 seconds and taking a break for 15 seconds. I hope आप लोगों को अभी तक ये आइडिया समझ आ गया होगा. Again, for performing your chest press, make sure you keep the dumbbells straight, take them down straight, keeping your elbows parallel to the floor. That's it guys, now you have a 15-second break. So wipe your faces with a towel, sip onto your water bottle and be ready for your next moment. Now we have another set of bent over row right over here. So while performing your bent over row, make sure your knees are bent, your back is parallel to the ground, you're looking down towards the ground, and you're hitting your elbows back, slow and controlled, towards the roof. Good job guys. Now take a small break, breathe in normally, relax your body, and we'll be performing some new movements. Alright, जो नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट हम लगाने वाले हैं वो है चेस्ट फ्लाई. सो चेस्ट फ्लाई को प्रॉपरली लगाने के लिए फ्लोर पर लेट जाइए. Now take the two dumbbells, उनको स्ट्रेट रखिए अपने चेस्ट के ऊपर. दोनों हाथों को साइड टू साइड लेके जाइए. Then lift them up, back again and keep on repeating the movement, focusing and squeezing your chest. A job well done. Now you have a 15-second rest to take a break in between your sets and catch your breath. So sip onto your water and be prepared. Alright, जो अगली एक्सरसाइज मेरी लिस्ट में है when it comes to hitting your back from all the angles is your deadlift. Deadlift in my view is the fundamental exercise when it comes to adding strength and power and muscularity to your lower back. It is the fundamental exercise for the overall development of your body. Good job guys. Now you have a 15-second rest to take a break in between your sets. Make sure you're breathing normally. Now lay down on the floor because we'll be starting chest flies in 3 seconds. Okay, so this is the set number 2 for your chest flies. Again एक बार फॉर्म को चेक करते हैं. लेट जाइए, दोनों डंबल्स को स्ट्रेट रखिए अपने चेस्ट के ऊपर. Now take them apart, lift them straight back up and keep on repeating it while squeezing your chest for 30 seconds. If you're doing this workout with me, I would say good job. You know what they say? Last set is the best set. And we are left with just one set. So let's get it done. Deadlift, deadlift and deadlift. I would say it again and again that it is the fundamental exercise for the overall development of your body. So deadlift को properly perform करने के लिए make sure you're bending your knees when you're going down and keeping your back straight while performing the deadlift. Good job guys, that was it from our today's back and chest workout. I hope आपको workout करके काफ़ी मज़ा आया होगा. Now it's time to stretch some muscles. Stretching is the most important part and so is liking this video, because when you like this video, it motivates me to make more such videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave a comment in the comment section down below and I will definitely answer all your questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so you never miss a workout video. I don't know about you guys, but this lockdown is very hard for me because I'm stuck at home and not able to go to the gym. That's why I'm making all these videos so that you guys can also perform these workouts with me. सो ऊपर आई बटन में आपको काफ़ी सारे होम वर्कआउट्स मिल जाएंगे. मेक श्योर यू चेक दैट आउट एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम.